Hello again. Today we are going to show you how to back up a drive, make it bigger, and reattach it to a machine. This is common if you fill up your drive with data and run out of space. It's also useful if you want another copy of your data to attach to another machine. Let's get started. Go to your project. In the side menu, select Machines, Machine Summary. Select the Properties tab on your machine. Then, select Manage Backups. Go to the drive you want to backup, and enter a backup name. Select the Backup button. This will create an AWS snapshot of your data, and can be found in Project Backups. To create a new drive, find your backup in the list, and select Create Drive. Give your new drive a name. Choose the type of storage, and enter the new size. Click Submit, and your new drive will be created. To replace our existing 100 gig drive with the new larger one, and dataset, we need to detach the existing drive, and then attach the new one. Do this by selecting Manage Storage. Then find the existing drive, and select Detach. Next, go to the project drives. Find our new larger drive, and select Attach. Our machine card will refresh, and we can see the new drive. We can now rename it back to its original name. After you attach a drive to your machine, you will still have to let your operating system know it's there. It will also have to be in a format that your operating system recognizes. Check our blog for more info, blog.ronin.cloud. Thanks for watching.